We're a veteran-owned firm, and we work with Americans who want life insurance to actually work, not just exist. At its core, life insurance is supposed to do three things: provide a death benefit if you're not here, provide living benefits if something happens while you are here, and build cash value that you can access and use during your lifetime. Death benefit, living benefits, cash value. That's the whole framework. The problem is, most people only ever have the first part explained properly. They know how much coverage they have if they die. They usually have no idea what happens if they get sick, injured, or need access to money while they're still alive. And they're rarely shown whether their policy actually builds usable cash value or just looks good on paper. So people assume they're covered. And most of the time, they're not covered in the ways that actually matter. This isn't about selling a specific policy. It's about structure. It's about whether what you have or what you've been considering actually gives you the protection, flexibility, and control, or whether it just exists. That's not something you figure out from a brochure or a quote. You figure it out by looking at your situation and walking through how death benefits, living benefits, and cash value would actually apply to you. And that's what we do. Here's what happens next. You give us your information, one of our representatives reach out, we have a quick conversation just to see if any of this would actually make sense for you or not. My name's Jared. This is First Freedom Life, veteran-owned firm, putting Americans first.